myself. Wait a second. Udo, that's not a bird.
So not.
It hasn't got any feathers. Banana brain.
Is true, and I could prove it. We'll throw it off a cliff, and when it flies, then you'll be the banana brain.
What?
Don't poke me. Don't poke me! Don't poke me! Don't poke me! Stop! Stop! Stop laughing!
I like it when my brother gets hiccups. It's hilarious.
That's it! I'm taking you down!
What? What? What?
I know, Mother.
My darling boys, my little treasures. What has Mama Gunda told you about fighting?
But he was poking me!
He was calling me banana brain, and I found a baby bird. And then I...
Fighting each other makes Mama very unhappy. Do we understand, Mama?
Yeah, man.